Hey there everybody, welcome back to Editing 24/7. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload files in Canva. It's simple, all you have to do is follow along. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. So you have to go to the left section and go to the uploads. So this are already I've uploaded these photos before, so I'm going to show you how to upload it. So there is this highlighted option that says upload files. You have to simply tap in there and it will direct you to the file from your laptop, your computer, and you can simply add any of the file, like simply tap in this and it's like uploading here. This is the video that I had chosen from the file. It's uploading. It may take a while. And yeah, these are all the files I've uploaded before. You may have to wait for a while. And yeah, you can also upload the audio and images from the same method. So to go to the upload files and choose any of the file you like, and yeah, your file has been uploaded. Again, simply drag and drop.